Mr. Burkawitz?
Yo!
This is Mr. Sloth of Punchy Sloth Shoe Repair. We just called to tell you that we've just sold your shoes.
I'm sorry?
I said I called to let you know that your shoes have been sold.
So what do you mean?
Sir, your shoes are sold.
Sold?
Yes, sold by your request.
Wait a minute, I paid a lot of money for those shoes.
Yes, sir, it shows.
Well, the fact remains that when I brought them in just about 2 months ago, I don't remember telling you that they needed to be sold.
Well, you did. So I sold them.
I cannot believe you sold my shoes.
I don't see what's so unbelievable about it. I have shoes sold all the time.
Without the owner's permission.
But you gave me permission.
All right, fine. Maybe I did. Maybe I just don't remember. So, how much did you get for them?
How much did I get? Well, you'll be paying me about $10.
I'll be paying you $10.
That's just $5 for each shoe.
Why should I pay you when you sold my shoes?
Well, sir, that's what America was built on.
Not in my house, it wasn't. I'm coming straight down there.
My, that was quick.
I'm known for my promptness.
Oh,
Now let me get this straight, cobbler. You sold my shoes, correct?
yes.
And you expect me to pay for sold shoes?
Yes, $10.
Well, all right. Hey, these aren't my shoes.
Oh, so they're not. I'm afraid I've sold your shoes.
Sold or sold?
Sold.
Sold as in sold or sold as in sold?
Sold.
Ah, very well then. Have a nice day.